happy birthday, mag-message mo ni Fel.
Sige.
Si Donut, anak ni Mami ni. So, ako ingon, hi Fel, I miss you, may lakmadag ko.
Good luck for you.
See you soon. Ikaw,
Happy birthday.
mana?
Birthday na ba taon?
Go Nami!
Fading to memories.
Hi Fel! Ano na siya? Happy birthday! Thank you sa kuha shirt, ang shirt. Happy day! Thank you so much, Fel. I really miss you. I really miss you. Love you, Fel. Star Wars! Happy birthday, Fel. Ako makanta ako. Wow, okay. Oh, kasi pa niya kasama kasi siya yung video. Ay, wala! Diba? So, happy birthday, Fel. I miss you. Take care. Have a good life. Always be here for you and churba-churba. Diba? Magkilak na rin, Fel. I love you so much. Hi, New York. Okay.
Hi, Canadian. Happy birthday. Sus, maroon po naglingkog dunya din Day. Yung sarda to, si Ate Ing, si Ate Mai, si Hearty, si Mami. So, thank you for being a good pamangkin. And I hope you will enjoy there. Just think that you're there for a greener pasture, for a greener future. So, dahil ka nang enjoy. Then, but don't forget the family you left behind. Din sa Cagayan. Yung mundong golday, na si Mami, maka-anhad ka na Canada or in other states, no? And then, sa Juday, you can spend any amount of any income you will have, but save for yourself. Save for the future. Kaya, imong pagpunan na dita, di man na imong permanente, even if you're an immigrant, because, you know, God has always plan for each one of us, no? So, mora to guys, and then have fun and enjoy there in Canada. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, darling. Mami Edie, talking in a beautiful, beautiful home of Mami Jean and Daddy Bong. Bye-bye, guys.
Hi, friend! Happy birthday! Gusto man ka din ha. I hope okay ra ka. Well, babe, man mangita ni tissue, kag silak-hilak ka, pagtanaw ni mo ng video, no? So, I hope kaya happy ka, kay surprise din siya ni Kuya Easy para sa imo, kunuhay. Mas malipay ka, kaya kami props, balloons, pero wala na ni cake, kay marpapanos na siguro kung paano himuon karon ang cake, no? Pero pwede sa tanang hulan sa cake ni Tom, pero namot naman po daw. So, mo to siya, I hope okay ka din ha. Kami, okay ra po din eh. Pero, kanang, I hope po, na nakay-work, pagbata na ako ni mukha, nga video, kay, diba, unsa na lang balikbayan boxes kung wala pagyapon kay trabaho. So, muna siya, kung mag-feel na kasi mong balikbayan boxes, for hatao, shoe size 6, then, bags lang, branded, o dili mga ukay-ukay, okay? Si Tom, nakaingon.
Ito na, happy birthday, balot for you. Kapila na ninyo, 24, ay panayara ta. Hope, okay na ka siya, we miss you, tapos, hope, lagpasan na nimo, pinalang katuig, tapos makabalik sa mga ka dali. Mayroon na natong kuhan at ang kalubian at ang bantuan kay okay lang dagan. Tapos, we wish you good
health. Ay, wala ka na daw din ha. Kaya, di ba, tugnaw. So, katong gift, I hope imong gamiton tong jacket. Kay, I hope imong tong gamiton kay, well, winter mong ka din ha, di ba? So, ayo-ayo ka din ha. God bless. Love you. Thank you.
Happy birthday to Philan, more blessings to come.
Happy birthday, Philan. How young are you now? May God showers you many blessings always para makapadala ka direct package phone sa December na good health always And happy birthday, darling. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ate Fel. Happy birthday. Wish you have a good day there in Canada. And I would like to sing a song to you. Happy birthday in Chinese. 祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日，祝你生日，祝你生日快乐。拜拜。
Igna, happy birthday, Fel. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Pressure kayo. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Fel. Among bisa NBC palihog. Tara na, Milo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Fel. Kanta. Happy birthday to you. Samok.
Ulog-ulogan na. Sige.
Sing happy birthday, Fel.
Happy birthday, Pel.
Surya.
Hello, hi. Lagi, kumusta naman ka diha? Birthday. Birthday.
Happy birthday, Fel. Nakutin mo yung ribbon. Salamat sa guidance. And action.
Hi, Pel. Happy birthday. Among libre visa lang amo. Bye. I love you, Pel. Take care. Hi, Pel. Good morning ba? Good morning. Happy birthday. We miss you so much. Take care of yourself and love from me, Mom Karen. Okay, take care. Love you.
Hi, Fel. Happy birthday. And mingaw na kayo sa imo. Kabulog ako sa ingon ako sa ila. Kadalingin ako sa imong table. Ikaw pagyapon ako makitaan. So, murag ako nagiday mong impact sa among life. Okay, bye. Happy birthday. Wala ako right. Inom lang tag-kape. Ay, Starbucks. Katubig content. Starbucks. May Starbucks din. May Starbucks subscriber.
Starbucks.
Asa yung liyog? Silent worker. Sige. Starbucks ka, Mr. Donut.
Hi, Pel. Happy birthday. Ito nga ako wish you. I wish na come true din ang talang dream. I think you're in the right path. Uy, invite ako sa mong wedding na ito kalimpe.
Next week.
Very ano, ginag-Canada ko. Kapos ka na. Ano,